Hello, my name is Matt Tresky with ICAFe Inc., and today we are going to be talking about the SimSpray from VRSim. This is a virtual reality painter training tool. I can adjust two settings on the gun. I have a 100% air, and I'm just going to be spraying at 50% fluid on here. So I'm going to go ahead and actually spray this part. So there, we have sprayed our part. Now this simulator was tracking me on several different things while we were doing that. Up top here, you'll be able to see that there's a scoreboard. This was tracking me based on a couple different factors. It was tracking me based on mill build coverage, which this was set for 1.5 to 3 wet mills. I scored an overall 73 on it. It was also tracking me based on my angle, distance, and speed. Those are the three things this simulator really tries to hammer home. Those are the repeatable things that we can always try to improve on. So if I just look at this, and this is what you would see if I actually went and sprayed an actual panel inside of a spray booth, I wouldn't have a whole bunch of quantitative information like angle, distance, and speed and be able to easily tell how much coverage I got on that thing. On the simulator, I'm able to see a whole lot more.